Today we're heading on a little day trip. We're going to find a place to swim and find a place to be in nature. So, a little bit of drama here. It's the full moon tomorrow, so maybe something's happening with the full moon energy, but our whole group is stopped. We're standing on the side of the road here. One of the girls that we're with, her motorbike scraped the side of a car, so everyone is kind of talking, debating what to do. They want to make some sort of deal. So they're negotiating the deal right now. Let's see what happens. Okay, they're working out the deal now. It seems like they asked her for about 16,000 rupees. And let's see what happens. She doesn't have that much right now, and we're pooling our money, but still not enough. So thankfully, no one was hurt, and the accident was very, very minor. So we ended up paying the guy just a portion of the money, and then we were going to figure it out later. So it all was okay. It's not an adventure without a little bit of drama. And then we continued on our way, still searching for our swimming spot. Here we are walking through the rice fields, making our way to a swim spot at Balmuri Falls, but not the main part of Balmuri Falls where all of the locals kind of swim in a big pool. We're going on this little 10 or 15 minute walk to a more remote spot to swim, and let's see how it is. The journey to get here was all worth it as soon as we saw this place. It was so beautiful, and we had the place to ourselves most of the time. And there were little rapids and waterfalls, and the water was a perfect temperature to swim in around dusk, right before dusk. It gets really hot and really sunny in Mysore, so if you're in Mysore and you're visiting and you're looking for a place to cool off or be in nature, I really recommend this place. It was so peaceful, and it really blew me away how beautiful it was and free to be there. And yeah, not many people, not too crowded. This is from a few days later when I went back to the same place. It's so beautiful here. I'm back here at Balmuri Falls. Balmuri Falls with my beautiful friend.
Hello.
My two beautiful friends.
Vlogging and making no money.
I'm here at Balmuri Falls. I came here with two friends, and it's so beautiful. We're actually the only people here right now. So we just went swimming, now we're just hanging out on the rocks. And this is a great place to come from Gokulam, from Mysore. It's about a 25-minute tuk-tuk drive, and we're paying about, I don't know, about $13 US for the ride here and back. So divided between 3 people, we're each gonna pay, you know, like $4 or something like that. So it's a nice little afternoon trip. Check this place out if you're ever in Mysore, and I hope you enjoyed. See you next time.